Welcome to QSPIDERS Gurugram Placement Cell. Here we are having Abhijeet, one more place candidate. Let's discuss some experience about the QSPIDER. Hi Abhijeet.
Hi sir, thank you sir. First of all, I joined QSPIDERS in March 2023 and I did my Python full stack course. In this course, I learned about web development. Firstly, web development course in which we have HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and in programming languages, I learned Python programming. Nadeem sir helped lots of me to gain my practicals and theoretical skills to crack interview. I did regular presentations and mocks, which helped me a lot to crack the interview. And presentation gave me the confidence to present myself, and as well as it helped me a lot in my communication skills.
How many interviews the QSPIDERS provided you? How many interviews did you attend till now?
Around 7 to 8 interviews I.
This interview, what is the experience of yours?
My experience was very good. First round was a technical round which was online, and they asked a lot of Python questions, practically and theoretically as well. Around all the questions I have written good reply.
Okay. How you suggest the other students regarding the QSPIDERS program?
If any student facing the problem regarding the placements, so he or she can join QSPIDERS. They can provide multiple courses like Python full stack course, Java full stack course, any course which anyone want to take, and regarding to their placements, they can get easily from the QSPIDERS.
What is the extra part of QSPIDERS as compared to other institute?
QSPIDERS provide a lot of more things from other institutes like daily presentation. In presentation, we have to present ourselves for our topic in detail, which help you to learn about that thing, and the mocks, which is like real life interviews. So that's the thing that you can get in QSPIDERS.
Okay. Now currently, what are the technical skill you are having?
Currently, I am having Python, and I am also learning Django and web development.
How many projects do you have now?
Right now, I have 4 projects. One is my GeoCinema clone, and one is my personal portfolio. And in Python, I have Domino's app, which is a console-based project.
Before joining QSPIDERS, do you have other projects?
No, I have only personal portfolio.
Okay. Do you have GitHub account?
Yes, I have GitHub account.
How much role is there the QSPIDERS members with your journey, the success you are having now? What are the role of QSPIDERS members?
There is a large of contribution of QSPIDERS because I did my graduation from a very small college. They do not provide placements, so QSPIDERS takes a very big role in my placements.
Thank you so much, Abhijeet.
Thank you, sir.